Hello foodies, welcome to FoodyRulz. This is Vamshi back with another recipe. This is Hara Raitha, usually served with Biryani's, pulafs and all. So to make that, I've taken 2 green chillies. Try to use fresh, green and long chilies so that it turns out spicy and tasty. Then add 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Try to use fresh one and also wash it thoroughly so that all the mud and the sand particles which are not visible to our eyes just get rinsed off and we get good result at the end. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Try to use fresh, again I'm telling you, because this recipe depends upon how fresh you use. So how fresh you use, that best it turns out. So you can see here I've just added. You can also chop it and just grind it using your normal rock things. I'll just put it on the screen, you can see this. So we can also do it like that. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and also another 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Black salt gives good taste. You can also decrease the level of salt according to your taste. We eat a bit more salt, so I'm adding more. Then I've added half teaspoon of pepper powder. You can also use a little bit of chaat masala, even that gives a good taste. Then just add a little bit of water. If you want your raita to be thick, don't add water. I'm telling you, this raita turns little bit runny, which I like personally, so I add a little bit of water. You can see here everything is blended well. Then add 200 ml of curd. So I'm using a local brand known as Heritage. If you want your raita to be more thick, then just try to filter it out using a cheesecloth or else a normal cotton cloth and add your hanker to it and blend it. In that way it turns best. You can see here it's a little bit runny because I added a little bit of water and also salt. Because of that it turned this much runny. So if you don't like this, I've told you how to make it thick. So that's it guys. Serve it with biryanis, serve it with pulafs, or else drink it like that only. So if you like my recipe, subscribe my channel FoodyRulz, like, share and comment down below. Until then, goodbye.